Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. Today we will learn about threat hunting in cybersecurity. Threat hunting is a proactive way to find bad guys like hackers or viruses that are already hiding inside a computer network. Think of a normal security tool like a burglar alarm. It only makes noise when it detects a break-in. Threat hunting is more like a detective who checks every room and closet to find a thief who sneaked in and stayed very quiet. Threat hunting is usually a three-step process. First is the guess, also called a hypothesis. Second is the search, also called the investigation. Third is the catch, also called the resolution. Here is a quick visual. First, the hunter makes a smart guess, like a hacker hiding an email. Second, they search thousands of files for suspicious activity. Third, they remove the threat and fix the hole so it cannot return. Why is this important? Some attackers are very sneaky and can stay inside a system for over 100 days without being noticed. Threat hunting helps find them early before damage happens. Now, let's compare reactive and proactive security. Reactive means you wait for an alert, like waiting for a smoke detector to beep. Proactive threat hunting means you look for trouble, like checking the stove to make sure it is off. So in short, threat hunting is proactive security. It uses smart guesses, deep investigation, and quick resolution to remove hidden attackers. Thanks for watching.